Hey guys, oh, it is that time of the month. No, not that time of the month. I'm so good. That 5-month countdown for me to leave the USA and to repatriate to Africa. 5 months left, guys. 5 months left in the US. Can you believe it? Like 5 months? Like seriously, can you really believe it? Welcome back to my channel, Finish the Race BL, aka Victory Lap. I am Liz and thank you for clicking on this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment. Please hit the like button. Like the least that you can do is hit the like button because it builds up in the algorithm, the YouTube algorithm, so other people can find my videos, find out who I am. Also participate in coming along with me on my journey, because that's the whole reason why I started this channel, right? I started this channel to document my journey to return back home to Africa from the USA. I've been documenting how I got my passport, my visa, how I had taken my trip there, and I stayed there for a whole month, getting to be reintroduced back to my family because they didn't see me for so many years. They were children, my siblings. That's what I'm talking about. But I have 5 months left here, like literally 5 months left. I have to get my stuff together. I gotta sell a lot of my furniture because I want to make money off I've invested in a lot here in the US, so I'm trying my best to sell as much as I can, as quick as I can. I'm hoping to sell my furniture within the next couple of months. I might just be sleeping on the floor, with the mattress, and that's fine with me. It's okay because I'm gonna have a brand new start in Nigeria. And yes, I know you guys saw that previous video of me sharing my story of the sexual harassment, but guess what? That happened months ago, and it took me a while to even feel comfortable enough to share that story with you because I want other female solo travelers to be aware of those things and also take the precaution on how to protect yourself. A couple of people in the comments gave me some really good advice on, while I'm still here in the US, to take some defensive courses just in case if I have to defend myself, and then also to stay on my spiritual path, because some people were like, okay, after experiencing that, why do you consider to still go to, to Nigeria and not somewhere else? Guess what? That type of behavior can happen anywhere. It has happened here in the US. I was just not prepared at the time to kind of face that because it caught me off guard. I was around people that I trusted, and people who I trusted had other people there that they trusted, but not knowing their their behaviors and reaction to certain things. That's not their fault. But I'm definitely going to take the advice of taking some self-defense classes, and also to stay focused on my spiritual path, because I truly believe that I was called to come back to Africa. Like I said, everybody is not called to go, but I am. Why should I not enjoy the benefits of what my father has left for his children? I have a home there. I have land there. I have siblings there. I have siblings that, family business there that we're going to build up and build an empire there. That's a no-brainer. Why would I not do that? I just got to take into action the things that I need to do in order to protect myself. Hey, if it doesn't work out within a year or two and it's not the place for me, at least I will allow myself to know where I'm from, grow closer to my family, my brothers and sisters, and And to say that I did it, you know, I would hate to move I would hate to choose to pick another country first before the country that I know that I'm from, Nigeria, Akwa Ibom. Like, why would I not do that? Well, knowing that's where I'm from. But if it doesn't work out within a year or two, then guess what? I can choose another country in Africa. There are so many beautiful places that I can choose from. But as of right now, I am going to move to Nigeria. I am going to take the best of what I can receive there, and I'm going to find the good that is there, because every place have its good and bad, and I'm going to make the attempt to find everything good. And Nigeria, Naija baby, yes. So thank you so much for clicking on this video. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for coming along with me on my journey. I'll see you until next time. 5 months countdown. 5 months countdown. Bye, guys. Oh, it's not how you start. It's how you finish.